Juicing is an art, and the right juicer makes all the difference. If you're tired of watered-down juice and missing out on nutrients, it's time to go cold-pressed. Today, we're looking at the best cold-pressed juicers that deliver smooth, nutrient-packed juice with every sip. Let's get started. First up, we have the Ninja NeverClog cold-pressed juicer, and trust me, this one's a game-changer. Say goodbye to jammed juicers and wasted produce because this powerhouse powers through tough ingredients with ease. With total pulp control, you can choose between less pulp or lots of pulp, whatever suits your taste. It's got two one-touch programs, a high-torque motor that works at low speeds for max juice extraction, and an anti-drip lever to keep your kitchen mess-free. Plus, all the juice-contacting parts are dishwasher-safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. Compact, efficient, and built to last, the Ninja NeverClog is perfect for daily juicing without the hassle. If you want to juice whole fruits without the extra prep time, check out the YPONE juicer machine. It's got a massive 5.8-inch feed chute, meaning you can toss in whole fruits and veggies without chopping them up. The 55 RPM slow squeeze technology minimizes heat and oxidation, so you get the purest, most nutrient-packed juice possible. It also features dual strainers with a superfine 0.3 mm mesh, ensuring no pulp clogs your juice and maximizing yield up to 99%. With one-button operation, easy assembly, and a heavy-duty durable build, this juicer is designed for both convenience and performance. If you're looking for high efficiency and smooth juice every time, YPONE delivers. Next on the list, we've got the QCEN juicer machine. Now, while this one is technically a centrifugal juicer, it still brings some serious power to the table. With an upgraded 800-watt motor, this machine extracts juice at lightning speed, making it a great option for those who want fresh juice in seconds. It features two speed controls, one for soft fruits and one for harder produce like apples and carrots. The 3-inch wide mouth means less chopping, and the safety lock system ensures everything stays secure while juicing. Plus, it's got an overload protection system that prevents overheating, making it a safe and reliable pick for any kitchen. Let's talk about the Juilist juice extractor. This sleek, stainless steel juicer is all about customization. With 3 speed settings, you can adjust the juicing power based on what you're processing, soft fruits, hard veggies, or a quick turbo boost for maximum extraction. It's compact, so it won't take up much counter space, and thanks to its optimized motor technology, it pulls up to 26% more juice than standard juicers. The one-button operation makes it user-friendly, and the dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup is effortless. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants a balance of speed, efficiency, and space-saving design. Need fresh juice fast? The HOUSNAT juicer machine delivers. With a powerful 400-watt motor and a wide 65mm feed chute, it extracts juice in just 10 seconds, even from tough ingredients like carrots and beets. 3 speed settings let you customize your juicing, while the anti-drip spout keeps countertops clean. Made from BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel, it's both durable and safe. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. Say hello to nutrient-packed juice without the hassle. Juicing just got easier with the AMZCHEF cold-pressed juicer. Its 5.2-inch wide chute means no more pre-cutting. Drop whole fruits right in. The upgraded auger maximizes juice yield while preserving nutrients, and the auto-cutting system slices and juices in one go. Built with a sleek stainless steel body, it's durable, quiet, and easy to clean. With just 3 simple parts, assembly takes seconds, and cleanup is effortless. Enjoy fresher, healthier juice with minimal effort. The Joy Bear cold-pressed juicer makes fresh juice effortless. Its 5.3-inch wide chute lets you juice whole fruits and veggies. The slow masticating auger squeezes every drop while preserving nutrients for a rich, flavorful juice. Easy to assemble and clean in just 5 minutes, it features an anti-blockage reverse function to prevent clogs. Plus, the safety lid ensures it won't run when open. Healthy juicing has never been this simple. Get the most out of your fruits and veggies with the TopZee cold-pressed juicer. Operating at a slow 65 RPM, this 150-watt juicer ensures maximum juice yield and nutrient retention. Its BPA-free design and safety lock provide peace of mind, while the detachable filter makes juicing and cleaning a breeze. Juicing made smarter with the Zasmira cold press juicer. Its 5-inch wide feed chute and 50-ounce capacity let you juice whole fruits effortlessly. With high torque extraction and 6-stage spiral grinding, it boosts efficiency while preserving nutrients. The innovative mesh-free design ensures quick, easy cleaning. Just rinse and go. Designed for health-conscious users, this juicer delivers smooth, nutrient-rich juice every time. If you're into juicing, chances are you'll love blending too. Whether it's smoothies, soups, or sauces, a powerful blender can take your kitchen game to the next level. In this video, I will show you the best blenders in the market. Check this video out.